Question 11. Naomi changes 1,000 Australian to Singapore dollars to use as spending money on a Singapore holiday. Naomi spends 1,025 of these Singapore dollars, and upon her return to Australia, changes the remaining Singapore dollars rounded to a multiple of 2 Singapore dollars back to Australian dollars rounded down to a multiple of 5 cents. Using an exchange rate of $1 equaling 1.2784 for both transactions, how much in Australian dollars did Naomi get back? Okay, so here's how we go about doing it. So we've got 1 Australian is equal to, equivalent to 1.2784 Singaporean. Okay, so 1,000 Australian is going to be equivalent to, so we've multiplied this by 1,000. 1 times 1,000 gives 1,000, so we do the same here. We're going to multiply that by 1,000. So that's going to give us 1,278.4. So how much Singaporean does she have initially? $1,278.40 Singaporean. Okay. She then spends 1,225 of that. So 1,278.4 take 1,025 gives 1,278.4 take 1,025 gives $253.4. So $253.40. Okay, that's what's left over. Then she changes that back to Australian dollars. Now this 253.40, that's rounded to the nearest multiple of 2. Okay, so that's going to be this. That's going to be $252 to the nearest multiple of 2. Okay, and then we go 252. We change that back to Australian. All right, so before, we know that 1 Australian is equivalent to 1.2784 Singaporean. So we have here 252 Singaporean. I want to find out what my equivalency is for Australian dollars. All right, so what I do, first off, 252 divided by 1.2784 gives me 197.121. Okay, so 1.2784 times by 197.121 will give me 252. So 1 times by 197.121, there's my answer, 197.121, and we're rounding to the nearest 5 cents. So that's going to be 197.10 or $197.10.